Hello.
Well, hello, and welcome to Dave's Cookery Time, Part 2. Today we are making apple and blackberry crumble. How do you make a cookie crumble?
Don't know.
Neither do I. So I've got my peeler. Peeling these apples like so. I've been washed, by the way. These are Granny Smith's, fresh from the garden.
From the empty allotment.
Yeah. Better going in my belly than wasting away, eh? I'm using a tatty peeler because that's the way I roll.
But not too close.
How?
You spoil all my fun.
How's that?
You do? It's the only joy I get. Sticking this in your face.
Yeah, I'll have plenty of joy in a minute when you're measuring out the flour.
I might let you do it. You're the cookie. I'm just the person who tells you how to do everything.
What?
Nothing. Just the person who tells you what to do.
Right, anyway, that's that cooked. I mean, split up. What do you call it again?
Peeled.
Peeled, aye. So I've got my knife. Cut them into chunks. Chunky. There's a plane going over. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Well, folks, I shall get on with chopping up and peeling these 4 apples and then washing the blackberries. So, I shall see you in a bit. So, the apples are now chopped and simmering away. It's time to add a little bit of sweetness. Look what I've done, cut my finger. Potato peelers aren't meant for, you know, depends on how much of a sweet tooth you have, but that's enough for me. Sit there while I wash these blackberries off. Once again, freshly picked from the allotment.
Not too close to them blackberries.
Aye, not too close. A bit of a drain off and stick them in the bowl
And leave.
for the new. Them are dry. There you are, spot on. Back to here, give a bit of a stir.
How are they looking? Canny. Canny.
Big chunks. Right. So while these are stewing down, I shall hand you over to the lovely Paula, who will be making the crumble. Because I have a finger which has got blood
How
coming
very
out of it.
rude. Giving us that.
Hey, peace. Peace out. So, it's crumble time.
Stop. Crumble time.
Do 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 do.
Oh, they can't
do, do.
see you.
Good.
Stir ya. Apple.
Stir the apple. So what we have here is 2 ounces, that's 50 grams of margarine into the bowl.
Daddy.
That's 2 ounces, 50 grams.
There's a little tip. Put the lid in. It keeps that clean.
Hey there, Gun.
Huh?
That's a good tip for you, isn't it, lads?
I'm sure a lot of people already know that. And 4 of this, is that correct?
4 ounces of self-raising flour. It says Bureau self-raising flour here because that's
A bureau?
it's the Bureau Home Recipes book, which is served served the public for years.
Serve the company when you're going to think.
Aye.
Right.
Next we have 2 ounces of sugar, and I shall stir these apples. They're starting to
Turn them off.
look very nice. Yeah, I'll turn them off for now because they're getting a bit mushy too
Right.
quick.
Can I give you that for the fridge?
Yep. I can't believe it isn't butter.
Now the
Now this is a bit I like to do.
clean hands as well.
Yeah, wash the hands.
Just wash them.
I know, I'm just telling everybody. And I just stand here and watch you.
It reminds us of being at school. Mrs. Hallowell telling you not to
Speaking
get...
to the camera.
No, don't get it on your palms because that's the hottest part of your hands.
Yeah.
And it won't make it crumble very
Did
well.
you hear that, folks?
You do it. It's your
Right.
show.
Don't crumble with your hands because that's where your hottest part of your hand is, your palm. Don't crumble with your hands.
Don't crumble with your hands.
Don't crumble under the camera.
That's of you.
Right, anyway.
Show them the crack.
I'll put you on the air. On the way. I'll show
as
you
you
the
can see-
consistency.
My palms are pretty much clean.
Yeah.
Only
Just
through
use
the
your
fingers.
fingertips.
No rings on. Or plasters.
Yeah, no plasters.
We're getting there.
So while that's happening, I think I shall put these blackberries into the mix.
I think you need to put the oven on as well.
Put them in there. Yummers, as they say. Now the gas needs to go on to gas mark 5 or 90 degrees Celsius. That's 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Just like a professional main oven.
There we go. I'll wash my hands when we're doing that.
Is that on? Yeah, that's on. I'll put this back on. Whoa, what's it doing? It's freaking out.
Freak out.
Freak out. Hey everybody, freak out.
Just see the tip of your head poking in there. Right.
These are back on. Stir them up a wee tad. Leave it on for a simmer.
That's as low as it goes.
How low can you go? Sugar is now being added. Stirred in.
Just tossed around.
See how this is like breadcrumb consistency? Just tossed around. Now the oven is on, getting ready to be heated up. It's time to get the bacon tray. Ooh, 2 little ones.
Or
Or
would you like that one? Yeah.
that one.
That one. Grab that.
One big one.
Well, medium. It's cute, isn't it? It's a cutie.
So, I think them apples and that'll be ready now.
Let's have a look.
Looks alright to me, right? If you want to do a little test, in fact it needs to be on a little bit longer because them apples are still a bit hard there.
Here's a poke. That's not bad. It's going in the oven as well, though, you know.
I thought it was a little bit hard.
That felt alright to me. That's what I'm saying to you. It's going in the oven to soften it even more. It's starting to go mushy.
Right there, lovely. Mushy, just how I love it.
Right, give us that then, and you can. We'll have to let them cool.
So,
Slurp.
look at it. You want to get all these bits, all the juices and everything are in the bit in the pan that you want to get out.
In the puree.
Yeah. Apple puree. Apple and Blackberry puree.
That looks like a planet, doesn't it? It's the surface. Right. That's it.
Spread the do it all round. Huh? Well, I would have been able to hear it anyway. And then leave it to cool. Like,
What was that?
leave it to cool. There you go.
And we'll be back when it's cooled then.
Guess what? I can't do the washing up either because
Yes, you
I've got
can.
water on my
I've got my
finger.
bad gloves.
Oh, marigolds.
Yes, and it's your turn to do the washing.
Okay then, the fruit has cooled.
Ish.
Maybe that. Good enough. A little bit of a sprinkling of sugar just for to make it sweet. Sweet. I get the crumble mix and spread it round evenly.
I love the crumble top.
Bloody lovely. You can also add oats into the mix if you would like, but I don't like. Spread it round.
And I like it either way.
Spread it round, but do not pat it down. That is the secret. And I didn't get that out of no book either. Huh? I got it off YouTube.
Eh?
Telling you, man. Who says I can't cook?
Not see anything. All I see is cascadelas.
What? Alright. Hey, man. Forget
Bad
about
memories,
that
bad memories.
Right, that's lovely. A little sprinkling of the sugar over the top.
Over the top, over the top.
Right, now this goes into the oven, which is gas mark 5, 375 degrees Fahrenheit and 180 degrees Celsius.
Ooh.
No book again. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Nice and preheated oven there. Get it on. And that stays in there until it's nice and golden brown.
About half an hour.
Golden brown, texture like sun. Now, I need to go and nip to the shop because there isn't any custard. And you can't have pudding without custard.
I do. And after that, you'll be watching Dave Does the Dishes. Wow, where do you come from?
Come from Jamaica.
I knew you were going to do that.
Anyway,
Predictable much.
it's time to reveal.
The reveal.
Which is dropping on the floor.
Don't you bloody dare. That's why it's got handles on the side.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that.
Golden brown. Just like it's supposed to be. Lovely. Get a little bit of air on that so we can have a look. No shadows. Down, 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 down. No shadows.
I didn't even get that. I was too busy thinking about you dishing the crumble up.
Right, let's have a dig at this. How much would you like?
I'm zooming in by accident again. Wait a minute.
How much would you like? That much?
Yeah. Please. Don't lose any of me crumble. I want it all. Let's have a look in there. Woo! I've steamed it up.
Anyway, this is my bit. So I'm going to have a bit more.
So you ask me, do you want this much? Yes, I do, thanks.
Well,
This is my bit.
I know how much.
What
you filming anyway?
The man along the street there walking his dog. Cuckoo.
I like more crumble than anything else. Like.
You can get stuffed with that because I love the crumble now. Don't be greedy.
And all of that apple and blackberry has mixed into one. Right, you can scoop your round.
I thought you wanted to put custard in.
I'm going to put custard on.
And they say there's no more gentlemen in this world. Well, I tell you what, they're bloody right. No, don't touch mine. I'll do it. I will do it myself.
I know how much you want and everything. Do you want any more of that?
Yes.
All of it.
Half for now, thank you.
But I'll just eat what you don't. There you go. Paula's having ice cream with hers. I'm having custard.
Oh, ice cream, man. The cold and the warm together is just wicked. Oof.
So, gives me cust. Been to the shop. I bought it from the tin. Because I can't be bothered to make it myself.
Ugh, it's rancid.
Lush!
Don't let that drip.
Get
Get your finger on it. And...
No, before we go,
whoa.
I'd just like to say one thing. Thank you for all the comments I've had about Annie. She's doing okay. I think she got a thorn in her foot, you know, and she was limping. Giving it that.
She was what?
Limping. So, she's alright now, hopefully. She's just resting up. Thank you for all the birthday wishes as well. No doubt I may make another video before we go on our holiday jaunts. So, thank you very much. I'm going to let this cool down and I'm going to eat it all up. Like. Apple crumble with blackberries.
Which makes it an apple and blackberry crumble.
Delicious.
Nice. Have you done a canny job there?
Yeah, and it's all free just about, apart from the crumble, but the fruit was.
The custard wasn't.
Voila! Magnifique! See you on the next one, folks. Make some. It's bloody lovely.
Bye.